तो अभी रात हो रही है एंड अराउंड 12:30 टाइम हो रखा है एंड लुक व्हाट आई एम डूइंग। मैं मेरा वर्कआउट प्लान बना रही हूँ, लाइक पूरा प्रोग्राम, और इतने अच्छे से मैंने कभी मेरे नोट्स नहीं बनाए हैं जितने अच्छे से मैं मेरा वर्कआउट प्रोग्राम बना रही हूँ, लाइक फॉर रियल। आई हैव नेवर शोन थोड़ा सा भी इंटरेस्ट अच्छे से नोट्स बनाने में, स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, लाइक नेवर। एंड देन देयर इज़ माई वर्कआउट प्रोग्राम, आई मीन, and I'm writing my workout plan diary में because I have this thing कि I'm not someone who will write everything in their notes app or on their phone. I need to write things down on the paper, like the pen and the paper. Like I am like so traditional when it comes to, you know, storing information. I just write it down. I am not like a modern digital person when it comes to any kind of information. I need to write it down, and that's why रात को मेरा दिमाग काम करता है एंड आई एम राइटिंग इट डाउन। ऐसे बैठ के सोचती हूँ कि अच्छा मज़ा तो बहुत आया था वो करने में, बहुत बढ़िया पंप आ गया था, ये एक्सरसाइज मुझे अच्छी लगी थी, इसमें मुझे थोड़ा अच्छा रिज़ल्ट मिला है, इस एक्सरसाइज को एक एक्सरसाइज पहले कर सकते हैं और इसको बाद में कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये वाला ज़्यादा फटीग देता है, फिनिशर के लिए ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा। और मैं इसको थोड़ा जल्दी कर रही थी तो मैं एग्जॉस्ट हो जाती हूँ। एंड ऑल्सो आई एम मेकिंग सर्टेन चेंजेस इन माई प्रोग्राम ताकि मैं एंड्योरेंस पे फोकस कर सकूँ। एंड समहाउ दीज थिंग्स एक्साइट्स मी, लाइक कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है ये मुझसे, बट दिस इज़ वॉट रियली एक्साइट्स मी। और फिर मैं जाके करूँगी एंड फिर मेरे बढ़िया सा पंप आएगा एंड आई फील लाइक डैम, दिस इज़ वॉट आई वॉन्ट, द पंप। एंड देन आई वॉन्ट टू लुक एट माई सेल्फ इन द मिरर एंड फील लाइक अदिति, आई एम इन लव विथ यू। ये वाली फीलिंग चाहिए मुझे, उसके लिए मैं अभी मेहनत कर रही हूँ। सो या, सी यू इन द मॉर्निंग, टिल देन गुड नाइट एंड टूडल्स। This is something I'm doing right now, and here's my coffee जो आधी मैंने पी ली है। Right now I'm sitting outside to soak up the sun, planning my goals for the month, and yeah, it is so peaceful to sit outside and sun soak up karna. Like this is my best thing to do. It's like, you know, you're not doing anything in particular but you're just sitting and recharging. If you will sit outside daily in the sun for at least 15 minutes, you will notice a huge change in your energy levels and in your mood also throughout the day. Sun really helps a lot. It's an energy giver, so you know, take the energy. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm done with the shower. all dressed up, and now I'm going out. First thing, to get my threading done. Second, I have is like I want to buy a particular outfit which I have in my mind. Actually, I have an event tomorrow और मुझे नहीं पता था कि कल ही वो है. I got confused with the dates. तो I need a particular outfit for that. तो मुझे online तो मिल गया है, but I don't have time to order it. So that's why I'm going to the store to get it. And yeah, ये दो main काम है, and then I have to go hang out with my friends. So yeah, this is the plan for today. And yeah, I'm wearing a very basic simple outfit. अभी time नहीं है, बाहर बाद में दिखा दूंगी. Basically, I'm wearing a black polo top with joggers. Before stepping out, we do the most important thing: cover ourselves in the fragrance, because I'm already late, so let's go. So always carry your water bottle wherever you go. Keep it in your car. These are basic good habits, and stay hydrated. Sunglasses, which are like super necessary क्योंकि बाहर बहुत धूप होती है. Okay. Now I feel like myself. कभी कभार just a single piece can make you feel like gym जा रही हूँ, and I'm super excited because the weather outside is so good. Like बहुत अच्छा weather हो रहा है, like काफ़ी अच्छी बारिश आई है, and it's like gloomy, ठंडा but not so ठंडा. So wanted to go on a run or for jogging outside, but फिर बारिश हो गई, वो पूरा गीला गीला हो रहा है, तो I was like nah. Then दोबारा बारिश हो गई, तो मैंने सोचा रहने देते हैं, but I've decided कि I'm gonna go have a good session because there's something about the late evening or night session. I don't know, it just feels so good. For me, the best feeling is when the music is good, when the weather is good, you're having this crazy workout session, you're out of breath, your blood is rushing, your muscles are pumped up, and you can barely feel yourself, and you're like half dead and can't breathe and all sweaty. God, the feeling! Like, it's the feeling. I mean, and it just shuts my brain and makes me feel so alive. And I mean, this is what I want to feel. Like, it's the feeling. I can't explain it. Like, you know, you can feel the blood rushing through your veins, and it's just at that moment, nothing matters. It's just your head is clear and you're out of breath and you're just surviving for that one breath you can get and the last rep you can take, and it's just all you there and the music and the pump, and it's so good. It's so good. I can't explain, and that's the feeling I want to feel right now, and that's why I'm going to the gym. And yes, oh, let's go. दिख रहा है एक फ़ोन से मैंने मेरे ऊपर लाइट कर रखी है, and there is this another light also, so we'll make it work. And there's this song I'm so obsessed with because that song just talks to me in a way different way. When it comes to gym and stuff now, like I have my favorite influencer, like I just admire her so much. काफ़ी भीड़ हो रही है because of शादी and all. I have to be so alert. So like yeah, coming back is like my favorite. मैंने पहले भी बोला एक बार, लियाना बजा लो तुम. लियाना डेप or deep, I don't know the pronunciation, but bro, not just for her fitness thing, I just genuinely admire her as a person. Let me tell you, like when I started going to the gym, I used to look at her videos and I used to get so motivated कि भाई क्या workout करती है ये. There are so many influencers and creators out there और सब डालते हैं, but it's very hard to actually find that one person who genuinely inspires you so much, and not just in terms of fitness, like as a person. I feel like maybe because I see a part of myself in her, which is something makes me even more motivated when I see her videos. Like फिर वो workout करते हुए है या फिर even she doing her thing as a person, her thought process is like, bro, this only one person I could relate to, तो वो convert हो गई है. So like, तो मुझे वो चीज़ का बुरा लगता है क्योंकि because I can't look at her physique and get motivated, but damn the physique she has, hats off. And it's just how she push herself. Workout करता हुआ मतलब you can see the difference कि कोई इंसान है ना मन लगा के कर रहा है कि वो खोया हुआ है उसमें, and that person actually doesn't need anyone. They're just doing their thing, they're just having fun with that thing, and the confidence is coming from within. So जैसे मैंने जाना ना तब मुझे समझ में आया कि there is a part of me I can see in her, being an individual, doing your thing, the amount of internal work she has done on herself. It's like hats off, and I really admire such people who are just strong individuals, and they have this attractive mindset about growth in all the perspectives. I watch her videos, bro, it just keeps me going. Like there have been days कि जब मुझे ऐसा हो गया कि नहीं यार वर्कआउट करने का मन नहीं हो रहा है. I don't have the motivation because I work out alone, so it's not like nobody is checking up on me or calling me कि चलो let's go to the gym. It's me who have to push myself throughout. And like when you are in a long term goal, things happens, है ना. मतलब आप हमेशा एक जैसे नहीं रह सकते, आपका पूरा हमेशा माइंडसेट एक जैसा नहीं रहता. आपकी लाइफ होती है उसके अकॉर्डिंग और भी चीज़ें हो रही होती है, तो यू कैन बी ऑलवेज लाइक कि ओ जिम जाना है, मोटिवेशन आ रहा है. ऐसा नहीं होता, चाहे आपको कितना भी क्लैरिटी हो अपने गोल को लेके. देयर आर डेज व्हेन यू फील लो, लाइक व्हेन आई सी समवन जेन्युइनली डूइंग देयर थिंग, और चाहे कुछ भी कर रहे हो, लाइक देयर इज़ पैशन, vibe. It's like you can sense it when someone is passionate about something, they're into that thing, and nothing matters to them. They're not proving anything to anyone, they're just there for themselves, and they're just doing it for their own good. Like आप वो तैयार हो रहे हैं, वो किसी के लिए तैयार नहीं हो रहे, वो अच्छा दिख रहे, वो किसी और के लिए अच्छा नहीं दिख रहे, वो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं लाइफ में, वो किसी के लिए नहीं कर रहे. They don't want to prove the thing when you actually need zero validation from people is so good. And when you're actually doing something for yourself, not for anyone, किसी के बोलने पे नहीं, किसी के कहने पे नहीं, किसी को दिखाने के लिए नहीं, बस खुद के लिए you are doing it, and you're so passionate about it, and it excites you and keeps you going. God, that thing is so magnetic. Are the only thing a person should chase. Like apart from that, it is not worth chasing anything in this life but yourself and your passion. And I find it so cool because who am I if not an explorer of life itself? And this is life, passion, chasing it, going crazy for it, not thinking about anyone, just you and your thing, and being there. The feeling, that is an emotion, that is a lifestyle, and it is irreplaceable. Your thing. Okay, someone just waved at me, but okay. बहुत बातें हो गई and I'm almost there. I'll try to shoot because शाम को it's very chaotic. If I could, I will. If I can't, then maybe next time I'll shoot a next workout session. So yeah, see you.
लाइट को प्रेस करो या बटन को, एक ही बात है.
It's old school and नए ज़माने का. Calling mama.
और अगर किसी ड्यूटी फ्री या किसी चीज़ से लो ना